there's a multitude of different ways to rig your mullet, guys, but my favorite way is actually right through the top lip. I'm going to show you and demonstrate that today. It's fairly easy, just kind of like the greenbacks and such, or ladyfish. See if I can catch one of these frisky little things. That was pretty easy. Alright, so I got my mullet here, then I got a 1/0 hook. Put that right, they got a small mouth, so you don't want to use too large of a hook, and it should look just like that. Now, there's a bunch of different effective rigs that you can use when using mullet, but the one that I would highly suggest and recommend typically is going to be either the float rig or the popping cork or free lining. And today we used both of those. The popping cork method has actually been the one that has been the most successful. And I think that's just because what happens is it really keeps the fish in the strike zone longer and kind of wears them down so they're not swimming all over the place. So when I want them to sit in a certain area where there may be other predator fish, the cork allows me to do that and get a good visual, and it's just tiring for them to pull that around all over the place. So let's see if we can demonstrate, maybe catch a fish right now. Alright, I'm hooked up, guys. Thought I was recording. That one wasn't on either. Looks like we got a beautiful little redfish out here using some mullet today, guys. It's not a monster. It's a beautiful little fish. Oh, he's got some real spunk to him. He's a little small for the bait we're using. That's okay. We'll take him. Circle hook did its job right there in the corner of the mouth. That helps with the mortality rate. Absolutely pretty fish. Let's do a little release on him. Hey, one down. We just got out here, so. Alright, so I told Chris to go ahead and try to dead stick this mullet. This is a great way to do this, and it works super effectively, especially in hot water. Just cut off his head, cut off his tail. Yep, actually you should have threw that by the mangroves. And what you want to do is just hook this body piece right onto the hook. Show him how to do that, Chris. Right through that stomach cavity and out, hides the hook, exposes the barb, and voila. Beautiful. Nice work, buddy. He's gorgeous. I think we're gonna do a release. Alright, fish on. Yeah. Little snook. Yeah. Oh, he got off. Oh. Shit, a kid in there. Oh, definitely not a big fish. That's a redfish. Little juvenile, guys. Hey, it's good to see these little guys running around here. Beautiful spots. Camera's on behind you. Look at those beautiful spots. Just let them go, let them grow. All right, buddy. See you next time. 3!
I named one Peter.
I even let you cast in my spot. Alright guys, so he slammed this mullet. Little guy. He wasn't playing. Woo! He wanted him some mullet. Alright. On the finger mullet. So she's ready to go. You ready?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so today we were using 7-foot medium action rods. Also 2500 to 3000 series Stratics with 15-pound test 832 Suffolks. The leader of choice, at least the most productive, was the 30-pound test, and 1/0 hooks, 1/0 and 2/0 hooks, depending on the size bait. You really don't want to go too large. I know some people get a little carried away, but we were using small finger mullet and medium to large size shrimp. So the smaller the hook, the better. Them larger game fish, they're smart. They get thrown to a whole lot. So you really want to try to downside and do what you can get away with, but don't go too crazy, because these fish are strong, and if they get you in cover, or if the snook get that hook in their gullet, they're going to cut you off almost every time if you have too light a leader. So that's what we were using today. A lot of fun. You saw Chris stole my fish. I guess it's alright, because he needed to catch something, guys. Bust his balls down in the comment section. Hey, if I can get 150 likes and 150 comments, I'll give away a free gift. Comment below. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, show me some love, and until next time, I'll see you on the water.